I thought I was ready to move to Canada, but I just realized that I'm missing something really important. For the past 2 years, I've been preparing for this. I improved my English. I went back to school and took a certification training. I'm sorry, I took a healthcare training and I finished it. I got my certifications in first aid, dementia care, CPR, use of AED, and food handler, among others. I really thought I was ready. To be honest with you, I thought I was overqualified until very recently. But then something hit me. I don't have real experience. I don't have real experience. Yes, I have taken care of my grandfather who has dementia. Yes, I went 1 month to a hospital to work with patients because that was part of my healthcare training. But I have never really had a job, a formal job in a healthcare center or in a hospital setting. Never, not even once. Not once, I'm sorry. And you can have certificates, you can have the knowledge, but if you don't have that hands-on experience that you can prove, it's very hard for you to get hired. I've been looking at job postings in Canada, and almost all of them ask for experience, but not just any experience, like real, practical, hands-on work with patients. Again, that you can prove. And so I realized that I'm not there yet, not just yet, but I will very soon. So instead of rushing, I decided to change my plan. I am going to focus in getting experience here in Mexico first. I've already started looking for jobs in care homes and hospitals and anywhere I can start working with patients, even if it's not perfect, even if the pay isn't great. I know this step is what I need. And I know for a fact that I am not the only one out there who is trying to make it to Canada, thinking that they are ready until reality hits. So this is what I am right now. I am beginning from zero. I am building real experience and I am going to document everything. In the next video, I will show you what happens when I start applying to care homes here. Let's see how that goes.